Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Biruma Islam. Today I will talking about my favorite season. My favorite season is winter season because in the winter season I wear my favorite coats, t-shirts and jeans and something. What food do you right? In winter season I eat food akhirosh and. What do you love doing? Eat in weather season. Mainly, I love I love to work in the state with my cousins, parents, etc. And because what do you love doing at and the last thing is that and what do you love doing it mainly I love to work winter season I doing love to work on the street in the early morning with my parents and friends. Thank you for coming. Thank you everyone.